all around the world, there are many places where the energy is very strong. It's very powerful. And Manhattan is one of those places. But as we know, intent. What is the intent of using the energy that's present? The energy's present, and it doesn't mean that it's, say, good or bad, but powerful energy can be present. How is that energy going to be used? What is the intent of the usage of that energy? And that's why we're on the front line of Manhattan Island, understanding how the lightworkers of the world, 144,000, are recalibrating the grid. Hello everyone, I am Michael and I help guide people on the evolutionary journey. Well, we're back, the front line of Manhattan. And a little while back I shared with all of you how the Native Americans knew the energy of Manhattan Island and how no one would actually live on Manhattan Island, but the Native Americans would actually go there to perform their rituals and then go home at night. So people weren't actually living on Manhattan Island. But it was known, this energy vortex, this very powerful energy that's present there. So over time, people have taken control of the energy that has been present on Manhattan Island. And these points are scattered all over the world. Manhattan Island is just one of those points. And what is the energy being used for in modern times, right? What's the intent behind this energy? As we move forth to the new Earth, Manhattan Island one day will be a place of healing, where people will go to Manhattan Island to utilize this energy to heal. But the island and its energy has been hijacked for quite some time. And now we're recalibrating this energy. That's why New York is my post. And many people are unaware, but it's becoming more and more mainstream, of an Egyptian obelisk that has been implanted in Manhattan Island. Cleopatra's Obelisk. It's recently been on the History Channel, but the Freemasons took an obelisk from Egypt and they placed it in Central Park in Manhattan. This energy of the grid has been hijacked. And that's why the lightworkers of the world, the 144,000, the warriors of the rainbow of the Hopi prophecy, are here restoring the grid. Again, it's not about good or bad. The energy is present here around the world, but it's the intent of what the energy is being used for. So as we're shifting, we're going to be shifting to the new Earth, where these places will be used for great healing. So if this seems interesting to you, do your own research on Cleopatra's Obelisk that resides on Manhattan Island in Central Park. And why was this Egyptian obelisk taken from Egypt and placed on Manhattan Island? There's energy vortexes everywhere. And this is just one of those places here in New York City. The New York City lightworkers of the world are here, and we're recalibrating this grid. So start to do your own research, and remember intent. Energy is present. What is the energy being used for? Ask the question, and as we move forth to the new Earth, this energy that's present here on this island will be used to heal many people. and so it is. But very soon we're going to have to venture into the belly of the beast over there. We'll visit this obelisk. And we're going to ask the question why this Egyptian obelisk was implanted over there in Manhattan Island, as we stand here in Brooklyn. So, are there energy vortexes that you're familiar with around the world? Leave them in the comments. Do you live by one of those places? We're the 144,000 warriors of the rainbow, and we're all scattered strategically around the world. Yours truly just happens to be positioned here, New York City. Where are you positioned, light warriors? Because each and every one of you are positioned strategically to recalibrate the grid. That's what we're all here to do. We're here to recalibrate the grid. And all you need to do is simply exist. And just by you living your everyday life, you'll begin to shift the reality. You're a human portal, a living portal, and you're shifting reality around you. So be conscious of this as we're all scattered around the world. And I am here, and so are you, to help recalibrate Manhattan Island and all of its energy and use it for the good of humanity. If you find this message interesting and you would like to learn more about our reality in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration, why don't you click subscribe, give the video a like so it becomes visible to more people, and please share with one other person, because if we all share with one other person, we will rapidly grow our 5D community. Anytime, any place, anywhere. The energy is present, and you, light warrior, are one of the 144,000 positioned at your strategic location to recalibrate the grid. When the earth is ravaged and the animals are dying, a new tribe of people will come onto the earth from many colors, classes, creeds, and whom, by their actions and deeds, will make the earth green again. They will be known as the warriors of the rainbow. Michael is here. Light warrior. So are you. Remember, we cannot control what is around us. However, we can control from within. Be conscious of powerful energetic vortexes around the world. Use it to raise your vibration and increase your electromagnetism. Life is so much better when we are all together. If you find this message inspiring or know someone that could benefit from it, please share this message. Dear ones, I am Michael. We are the 144,000 warriors of the rainbow. It is time to take back our everyday lives. See it right there, light warriors? I'm just a kid from Brooklyn. Each and every one of you possess the power inside your DNA to do this. Come to terms, come to the reality that you have the ability to do this. I am the defender of our everyday lives. Victory of the life. And so it is. calibration.